Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is what we call international endorsement. A multi-million follower verified account, viewers and subscribers, reposting the verse of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Now, let's point this out. This has been long talked about. The feature with Vybz Kartel and Cardi B. Well, you know what this remix serves as? It serves as an example. Now, we know for many artists, that's why, first and foremost, that's why I like when them criticize dancehall artists. Tamil Sparta is now freed. Vybz Kartel will be freed soon and very soon. Now, when them critique dancehall artists about their lyrical content, artists are signed to put out music that works. An artist chooses to add a message, a gem, motivation, and these things to their music, and fans respect them for this. Now, they are tasked though with putting out music that works. No doubt Cardi B has been lobbying beside the scenes fit the Vybz Kartel feature. Now, this verse serves as an example to our management team and our record label A&R, who when you put out music, I have to clear it. Yeah, so them thing go. When you sign to a major label, I saw your thing go. Now, this though, it look good. The fact that she had already commented on the post when the teacher said, want to say drop it, and showed her excitement. Now the TikTok video, she repost it again. You know how much TikTok video make about the song? But when you see it, I get the same reaction from her because of what the lyrical content, because of the freestyle. Now, when I have no official confirmation to say what you know, next week when I can look out for the Vybz Kartel and Cardi B, we can definitely tell you though, this is a step in the right direction. And the teacher also pointed out, say, him notice some people are tell the artists themselves, take the dub money and put out the dub. You must say, Clark, him where you do like if that's what you like. Him say, them kind of dub ya him do. Him say the Cardi B dub plate. And this is the type of dub where he's in the mood for doing. Him say, nah, support any of these parties who are requesting dub plates. You know what I mean? Because how ironic that the same people who bash dancehall, talk negatively about dancehall, are now running to dancehall artists to help their popularity with the people in the streets. How ironic. Some people are calling them sellouts. It is what it is, viewers and subscribers. Very few will stand up for the genre, but all of them want to be crowned the king. You notice that? Very few are put out good music, but all want to be remembered as the greatest. We can't listen to them. We can't pay them no attention. Multi-million follower endorsement. And that's the thing there. Good music will speak for itself. Whole heap of people remix, whole heap of people sing all the time. We have hardly seen those artists pay homage to the artists who drop the remix. We are looking out for your official feature. Some people might say, you expect it? Yes, we are looking out for your official feature because the teacher has proven to international markets that watching, we can keep it authentically dancehall even on your type of beat. And we can still keep the lyrical content at a point where international audiences can gravitate to it too as well. And with that being said, then approve it. So I look out for the feature them a release with more Jamaican artists. Even if the rhythm itself is hip hop based. Because the teacher definitely, the WAP freestyle, the free mix, and nothing normal. Fans are jump from them, hear it from the first day, and it is still in the top 10 trending. The minute plus clip, just a minute plus. But it reminds me how the teacher said, the song, though she get a little touch and she celebrate. What happens if she get the something every day? The people must celebrate, viewers and subscribers, the minute plus remix. What happens if them not see the teacher wrote a remix or do features with all of these big name international artists? You know what they do for dancehall music and a whole. For other female artists, for the man them in the game. Some of them now can keep up to the pace. Don't start put out certain high level productions. You know what I mean? Certain lyrical content that is flawless. Them now can keep up. Some of them will have to just probably get the chorus. You know what I mean? Yeah, maybe them will add them to the intro or something. Some of them now can keep up. But that's our dancehall music I go right now. We need dancehall music to be mentioned in the same breath with the hip hop and even reggae. You know that people consider dancehall as reggae in some parts of the world, and the word dancehall is not mentioned unless they talk about the song in specific, and the person mentioned the word dancehall in it. Enough people don't know that. Enough people that are aware of this, and certain artists not talk about it. This is why certain artists rust up them head even though them are a rasta. Think about it, why they not do that? They are trying to identify with the reggae market. Not standing up for dancehall music and I put out dancehall music where bring that recognition to dancehall music. You feel like when Charlie Blacks go overseas, them know start dancehalling. But them associate him with the dancehall side of music. It's for the ladies, for the dancing and enjoyment. But them still bring a recognition to dancehall music. Some of these artists want to be remembered and mentioned, but them now put in the work. And put in the work just not means to release music. Certain type of music. Music gear that bring in more fans to the dancehall genre. This freestyle was geared to do just that. That more hip-hop fans would pay more attention to dancehall artists and know say them can bring the lyrical, the wow factor out about lyrical content too. No matter whose style you talk about. We have an artist, because we can talk about Vybz Kartel for now. And we have other artists as well, we show them. See Popcorn Fix Tape in my features with Drake. Party Next Door. You know what I mean? Other artists. Showcasing the talent of dancehall music. So maybe got a few artists that I say I put in the work, viewers and subscribers. And me I say big up Cardi B. You know what I mean? For the endorsement of Vybz Kartel, the Gaza Nation, and dancehall music. You know what I mean? Yes. Definitely have a big R up. And we can consider one of the people who, like when Drake endorsed the music, and I must say, oh, Drake just use dancehall for Ray. That is not one of the statements we can make about Cardi B. And if them say it, just because Cardi B now big up for them artists. And one time we'd see them a big up, she should have big up opposition. She should listen to the music we're talking about. You know? Maybe it was a mixtape. And the person who made that mixtape just added all the songs that were being played during that, you know, time frame. And I saw that song did get played. And she probably never skip none of the song them to a dancehall and she loved the genre. So she just make every song play. You know what I mean? And the video was recorded at that time. And them run with it. But we know it go. Cardi be a Gaza girl. And she's making that a public statement. Check her IG page and you know what she depends. You know the something good viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. You know what I mean? Yes, the comment section is open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section, viewers and subscribers. You know how the something go. Talk to me. Endorsement of the highest kind, especially when it is from another artist of another genre. Because her fans will now be paying more attention to Vybz Kartel and his music. You know what I mean? Definitely a good look for dancehall on a whole. One of the few artists when him win, dancehall win. So talk to me. First and foremost, if you like the reasoning, you know what I mean, like the point of view, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. This is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as they are uploaded and made available for you right up on the channel. Tell a friend, check out the channel. Or you can do that, use the subscribe icon. It is located in close proximity to the like icon. So drop a like on the vlog too, in truth. You know what I mean? And then share the video. Comment section open, never lock it. Yeah, man, now move settings for me. I wanna need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.